Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a bullet point in Google Docs. First, open Google Docs. I have already inserted a list. To add bullet point to this list, select the text you want to format. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag your mouse over the list until it is fully selected. Next, go to the toolbar at the top of Google Docs. Click Format. Then select Bullet and Numbering. From there, open the bulleted list menu. You will see 6 different bullet styles to choose from. Select the one you prefer. I will choose the arrow bullet by clicking on them once. You may notice that only the first bullet type is shown in the list. To display the other bullet option, move your mouse pointer to the left of any bullet item. If you press the tab key, it will indent the list and reveal the alternative bullet style. Once bullets have been added, you can also change the bullet style quickly. Move your mouse pointer to the toolbar at the top of Google Docs. Near the end of the toolbar, you will see the bulleted list icon with a small arrow next to it. Click the arrow to view the different style available and choose the one you like. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.